for the 9084, wind 210 degrees 10 knots, runway 21, cleared to land.
Cleared to land, runway 21, velocity 9084. Good afternoon, Airlines 1655, establish on the island.
Airlines 1655, Perth. Maroomba 75 Papa, you ready immediate?
Okay.
Maroomba 75 Papa, line up runway 21.
Line up runway 21, 75 Papa.
Airlines 1655, wind 200 degrees 12 knots, one departure to go, continue approach.
Airlines 1655, copy.
Maroomba 75 Papa, runway 21, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 21, clear for takeoff, Maroomba 75 Papa.
Airlines 1655, wind 210 degrees 12 knots, runway 21, cleared to land.
Runway 21, clear to land, Airlines 1655.
JetX 152, line up runway 21.
Runway 21, JetX 152.
Maroomba 75 Papa, connect departures.
Departures, Maroomba 75 Papa.
JetX 152, runway 21, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 21, cleared for takeoff, JetX 152. First tower, Mino 151, good afternoon on the ILS21.
Winder 151, Perth today, wind 210 degrees 10 knots, continue approach.
Continue approach, Mino 151. still hold short Bravo.
The JetX calling JetX 7668 at this stage. Melinda 151, wind 200 degrees 10 knots, runway 21, clear to land.
Runway 21, clear to land, Melinda 151. Tower velocity 9265.
Velocity 9265, delivery.
Tower 9265, just at the November holding point here at 21. We need to return to the bay, we're not going to make the last flight up north.
Velocity 9265, copied, hold position.
Hold position 9265.
JetX 152, connect departures.
Departure is JetX 152. Yeah, Qantas 776 heavy ready in town.
Unity 737, are you ready for immediate?
FM 737.
Unity 737, line up runway 21.
Hello, runway 21, Unity 737.
And at the station calling ready, say again.
Qantas 776 heavy ready in town.
Qantas 776 heavy, Perth, yeah.
New Zealand 175, short finals, ILS 21.
New Zealand 175 heavy, Perth, continue approach, one departure to go, wind 210 degrees 8 knots.
Continue to 21, New Zealand 175.
Melinda 151, vacate left Charlie 6 and hold short taxiway Charlie.
Get left on Charlie 6 and hold short Charlie Melinda 151.
Melinda 151, connect ground 122.2.
Ground 122.2, Melinda 151.
Unity 737, runway 21, cleared for immediate takeoff.
21, clear for takeoff, Unity 737.
Tower, g'day, that link's 1710, holding short of whiskey, and we're ready in turn.
Now link 1710, Perth, yeah. New Zealand 175, wind 200 degrees 10 knots, runway 21, clear to land.
Runway 21, clear to land, New Zealand 175.
Velocity 9487, just confirming you're still planning on departing.
Whereabouts are we in the queue? 9487.
You'll be next to go.
AFM 9487.
Velocity 9487, line up runway 21.
Line up 21, 9487.
Unity 737, connect departures.
Basically, Unity 737.
New Zealand 175, vacate left Charlie 9, connect ground 122.2.
Charlie 9 left, 122.2, New Zealand 175.
Perth Tower, velocity 1845, ready.
Perth Tower, g'day, Unity 4120.
Unity 4120, Perth Tower. Wind 190 degrees, 12 knots, 1 departure to go, continue approach.
Your approach is 4120.
Station calling ready, second course line.
Velocity 1845.
Velocity 1845, Perth, yeah. Velocity 9487, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Runway clear for takeoff, velocity 9487.
Perth Tower, good afternoon, Qantas 937.
Qantas 937, Perth, yeah. Unity 4120, wind 200 degrees, 10 knots, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear land 21, Unity 4120.
Velocity 9265, I'll get you moving behind the next arrival.
265, nice. They haven't assigned us a bay yet, so you might want to park us down there wherever it's suitable.
Covered. Velocity 9487, connect badges, yeah.
Departures 9487.
Velocity 9265 on November, cross runway 21, taxi Delta Alpha and hold short runway 24.
Never cross runway 21, Delta Alpha, hold short, runway 24, velocity 9265.
Velocity 9265, connect ground 121.7.
21.7, okay, velocity 9265, thanks for your help.
Unity 4120, sorry, if you can continue on the runway to vacate Charlie 9, request disregard, vacate Charlie 6.
Copy, Charlie 6, Unity 4120, and switching to the ground.
Unity 4120, thanks. Qantas 937, wind 200 degrees, 12 knots, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 21, Qantas 937.
Tower, good day, velocity 9268.
Velocity 9268, Perth, yeah. Velocity 9268, new QNH 1008.
Copied 1008, velocity 9268.
All stations, Romeo current QNH 1008, cloud view 1000 broken 1500. Velocity 9268, wind 200 degrees, 10 knots, runway 21, cleared to land.
Cleared land 21, velocity 9268.
Lima Bravo Zulu 2.
Bravo Zulu.
Lima Bravo Zulu. Are you still wanting a heading out to the west?
Yes, Bravo Zulu.
Lima Bravo Zulu copied, and can you give me a rough heading that you want? Lima Bravo Zulu.
Skippy 5803, we'll take the same as well.
Skippy 5803. Lima Bravo Zulu, will right 250 be acceptable? Lima Bravo Zulu, hold at the holding point. Lima Bravo Zulu, assigned heading right 250, line up, runway 21 away.
Runway 250, line up, runway 21 away, Bravo Zulu.
Lima Bravo Zulu, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Runway 21, clear for takeoff, Lima Bravo Zulu.
Velocity 9209, ready enter.
Velocity 9209, Perth, yeah. Skippy 5803, just confirm you want it out to the west as well, and would be right 250 be acceptable?
Okay, yeah, good.
Skippy 5803. Skippy 5803, line up runway 21 and wait, just waiting on a release.
Line up, wait, runway 21, 5803.
Lima Bravo Zulu, command departures.
G'day, Lima Bravo Zulu.